In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Kit templates. We're going to walk through how to edit an existing email template so that your brand's core design is updated for all future emails. This is especially useful if you've recently updated your logo, changed your brand colors, or decided on new default fonts and button styles. Instead of editing every email one by one, you can make these changes once at the template level and have them apply everywhere that template is used going forward. First, navigate to your email platform and look for the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Click on the Send option. In the menu that appears, choose Email Templates. This is where all of your saved templates live, including any default or starter layouts you may already be using for campaigns. Once you're on the Email Templates page, take a moment to review your library. Find the specific template you want to modify. This might be your standard newsletter layout, a promotional campaign design, or any other recurring format. Click on the template to open it in the editor. It's a good idea to double-check that you're editing the correct one, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. When the template opens, you'll be in the visual editor. Here you can click directly on different elements in the design, such as the header area, body text, or call to action buttons. As you select each element, you'll see editing options appear in a sidebar on the right. This is where you can adjust styles like fonts, font sizes, colors, spacing, alignment, and other design properties. For example, if you want to update your logo, click on the header image and replace it with your new logo file. If you're changing your brand fonts, select a text block, then choose the new font and size in the sidebar. To adjust your brand colors, click on buttons or background sections and update their color values to match your current palette. Take your time to move through each major element so the overall design stays consistent and on brand. As you make changes, use the preview options if available to see how your template will look on desktop and mobile. This helps ensure that your new styles are readable and visually balanced across different devices. Once you're happy with the updates, go to the bottom right corner of the editor and click Save. Saving here applies your changes globally to that template, meaning any future emails created from this template will automatically use your updated branding and design, and that's all you need to do to change your Kit templates effectively.